Peach blossom. That was my favorite flower when I was a child. The small hills full of peach blossoms in my homeland were always the most beautiful landscape in my mind. Since childhood, the peach blossom has planted romantic seed in my heart. From then on, no matter what city I live in, I always plant peach trees and look forward to meeting peach blossoms every spring with joy and expectation. I believe that no one in the world can resist its beauty. As long as I am with peach blossoms, my heart blooms like the flowers. In the morning mist, on a moonlit night, in the drizzle drops, and at the dusk, I like every elegant expression of peach blossoms. Viewing from my yard, it's so good, but I also need a few tweaks to decorate my rooms. The shape of each twig is already beautiful enough. No more arrangement necessary. Let me make sweets to celebrate the arrival of my beautiful flowers. In my previous video titled Wagashi, chrysanthemum, I demonstrated how to make this kind of sweets from scratch. This process takes a few minutes. I hope you will like it. I am creating the image of peach blossom this time. Look, the shape is ready, and finally, I can add a statement to complete it. The peach blossom tea that I collected from my trees last year. Let's enjoy the tea now. Rinse tea first with hot water. Discard the hot water. Pour in hot water, cover with lid and steep for 1 or 2 minutes. Apricot-like faint bitterness with strong peach blossom scent. I love it so much. I believe that no matter how old I become in the future, as soon as I see peach blossom, it will immediately turn me back into girlish heart. Love it as always and never change. Let me accompany it through spring, summer, autumn, and winter, year after year.